can't get rid of the airbag light. I've run it through Code Reader, and it is the driver's seat airbag that's giving me the trouble. Now, I've already put a resistor in there, and that worked for a year, so that seems to have stopped working now. So I'm going to maybe put another resistor on. I'll show you that. So this is what's causing that light to stay on. I'm getting the driver pre-tensioner squib, resistors too high, intermittent. Now, just to show you, if I clear this code, which I can do here, I have one of these Delphi readers. I'll show you the Delphi reader. Oh, sugar. Car's not turned on. Flip. It might not work now. I might have to start again. No fault codes, right? That says no fault codes. But when I look up here, it's flashing again. I'm going to turn it off. Turn it back on. That should go out. Okay, it has gone out now.
Okay.
That didn't stay out last time. I'm going to get into the driver's seat because I wonder if that's part of the issue, if there's something going on with the driver's seat, because this hasn't been staying out when I've cleared it before. Hop into the driver's seat and see if the light comes back on again, because that's what's been happening. It just keeps coming on.
Okay.
That stayed off. Okay, I'll take that as a win. I stayed off. Don't think it'll remain off, but it's off for now. Okay.